Hi everyone, welcome back. In the previous lesson, you learned all about coordinating conjunctions. Today, you will learn about subordinating conjunctions. Let's proceed. In the previous lesson, you learned how to use the most common coordinating conjunctions. In this lesson, you will learn all about subordinating conjunctions. What are they? What are subordinating conjunctions? Subordinating conjunctions connect a dependent clause to an independent clause. If you have forgotten what a dependent and independent clause is, here's a revision for you. A dependent clause cannot make up a sentence. For example, on their own doesn't make complete sense, does it? An independent clause can make up a sentence. Example, I can play football. That makes complete sense. Although, although, although means in spite of something. I'll give you an example. Although she went to school early, she could not meet the principal. That means, in spite of going to school early, she could not meet the principal. While. While shows that something is happening during the time when something else was happening. For example, the boy cleaned his room while his mother washed the clothes. So, both these things were happening at the same time. If. If creates a condition for something. For example, I will take you shopping if you promise to be good today. So, there's a condition. I will take you shopping only if you promise to be good. Until or till. Until or till shows a point in time. For example, I will not let you swim until you wear a cap. Until. A point in time. So the minute you wear a cap, you can swim. Weather. Please pay attention to the spelling of the word. This is not WEATHER like weather and climate. This is WHETHER, weather, which is also used in place of if. Weather expresses a choice. For example, we cannot decide whether to order a pizza or a burger. You have a choice. You have a choice between ordering this or that, and you can't decide. Therefore, you use the word whether. After. After refers to a period following another one. Here's an example. I will go shopping after I have my lunch. I will go shopping after. That means first I will have my lunch and then I will go shopping. Before. Before refers to a period that comes earlier than another one. So, I had my lunch before I went to the store. So, first I had my lunch and then I went to the store. Since. Since gives a time frame for something. So, you can say she has been driving since she was 18 years old. So, you're giving a time frame. Since she was 18 years old, that's the time frame. When. When refers to a time when something is or was happening, like I remember visiting them when I was a child. When? The time frame when I was a child, that time. So let's see how well you understood today's lesson. Use the conjunctions although, when, since, before, after, whether, till, if, while in the sentences below. And please get them all right. The first one. He has stopped swimming. Dash the time his cat drowned in the lake. So, which conjunction will you use here? The right answer is since. The second one. She cannot decide dash to order a fresh lime soda or a cup of tea. Come on, you can get this right. Weather. The third one. I don't play hockey. Dash, I love to watch the game. So, what should this one be? Although. They visited their aunt. Dash, they left town. Before. And you can't say after because it wouldn't make sense. They visited their aunt after they left town. Doesn't really make sense. So you have to say before. They came indoors, dash, they realized that it was going to rain. When they realized it was going to rain. Tell me you got all five right. You can tell me in the comments below, and I'll be happy to hear that you got them all right. Because if you got them all right, it means that you understood today's lesson very well. So I have one more lesson on conjunctions that will be in my next video. Until we meet again, I will say bye.